Hey guys, it's Myred Thoughts, and I was out thrifting today, and I found this tech target, and tech targets are cool, and it means that I'll have a write-up on my mod guide for the tech target coming soon, but that's not what I want to talk about today. Instead, while I was out, I was looking through the racks at the Goodwill, and I found that tech target first, and then I was looking through the grab bags, and normally I don't even really bother because they almost never have anything. But this time they did, and I was glad that I looked. I found this. This is a Vortex Tornado X2. It's one of the Koosh blasters. It came from 1998 is when it first came out, and it's special to me because when I was a kid, I didn't really get to have anything that looked like a gun. But there were two exceptions. I had one of the small Vortex blasters, and I don't know which one it was because there's a couple of different ones that are just different colors. And then I also had a Tornado X2. Now, I don't know where that one went, but to find another one in this good a shape was really exciting to me. Not only did I get this Tornado X2, which would be cool by itself, but it also came with a complement of Koosh rings. It came with 8 in total, which is way more than it came with in the pack. So that means that somebody, when they got this originally, bought a replacement pack or whatever. They had a bunch of these Koosh rings, and I got all of them, which is great because you just can't find Koosh rings anymore. Now, the original Vortex line is interesting. It's very similar to the new Vortex line in that it got much better ranges than the darts, but the ammo moves more slowly. So it was kind of that contrast that people like. You did get much longer ranges. The Firestorm, for example, will shoot like 60 feet. And I think this Tornado will shoot about 50 feet. But they shot really far. They didn't quite move as fast, but they were just really cool blasters. I'm going to load a couple of these rings. I'm going to show you how it fires, because chances are you haven't seen one before. I haven't seen one since I was like 8 and owned one myself. So basically, there's a priming rod back here. You pull it back just like a night finder. Usually, you gotta put the ring on first, and this slide is used to not only help push the ring on, but more importantly, it's how you got rid of the jams if you had one. And then you pull it back, and it's loaded. As you can see, it went all the way back there. And the ring is on the little launch device. And then when you pull the trigger, it fires. Now, they're cool because even though they don't shoot super fast, because of the aerodynamics of the rings, they go really far. And the rings are actually fairly heavy. They're made of kind of like a rubber. And they fly very well. Now, of course, the wind will blow them every which way, but they do fly very well, so that's cool. I'm going to fire one last ring. Last thing about this is, assuming that the wind doesn't pick up and take your ring somewhere, they're very accurate. As you can see, I just shot directly in the middle of the target. They fly far, they don't drop very quickly, and they fly straight if nothing else is acting on them. So they're really cool blasters. I'm really glad to have not only the Vortex Tornado now in my possession, Tornado X2, the Vortex Tornado is a different blaster. But not only to have this X2 in my possession, but also the Koosh rings, because like I said, being able to play with your blaster is half the fun, and you just can't find these Koosh rings anymore. So that is the Vortex Tornado X2. Thanks for watching.